Guys, and welcome back to Number 9 Farms. Today we're going to be doing the rest of the Poblano soup from yesterday's dinner. Anyways, I haven't been feeling good today. Like, I'm really tired. So if I really mess up, you'll know why. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and got this out of the refrigerator. And that was what was left from where we blanched last night. Go ahead and turn it on the stovetop. And the first thing that is going to go in here, which is the cactus, the Dona Maria Nopolitas, tender cactus. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's hard to open. But it's very hard. So I usually have to tap on the top to open it. And I'm telling you, this stuff is delicious. You put it over a roast. Oh my goodness, the best. Like, I used to only have to buy 1 jar of cactus. Then it went to 2 jars of cactus. Then it went to 3 jars of cactus on a roast because everybody was eating up a jar of our canned tomatoes. The part where it's not so, it's like dust all over it or something. Sorry about that. Dump that in. And a jar of our black-eyed peas. And Colby always jokes and says, oh, if it's got dust on it, you know it's aged. Ooh, that almost... Ooh. Remember I said yesterday, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and soak your black-eyed peas if you didn't have any handy. And these are black beans. And now, after those are added, I'm going to go ahead and bring y'all over here so you can see here what I'm doing. I've got some orange roughy. Usually I use tilapia, but I was out of the tilapia. I have some jumbo shrimp. So I'm going to go ahead. This right here is fully cooked, and it comes from Schwans. And like I said, we've been buying from them since 1995. So what I'll do is I'll run this over some warm water and go ahead and thaw it out. And these do have the tails on them. So I'll cut the tails off and add those to the pot. We're going to cook this in the oven at 400 with a little bit of butter and some lemon on it and a little bit of this seasoning. This is the Tajin. I guess that's how you say it. But it's gluten-free, and it's usually on the Hispanic aisle. It's delicious. Yes, Cooper? Alright, I got all the shrimp peeled, or tails peeled. Now I'm going to take Old Bay and put all over the shrimp, and then I'm going to put the shrimp in the soup. Alright guys, here's the Old Bay. And just go ahead and toss as much as you want in it. And no sneaking a shrimp. Dusty won't be able to eat this because he can't eat seafood. So he hates it because he used to eat a lot and he loves it, and he does not like that he can't eat it now. All right, we'll put that in the soup now. All right, so now I've made a little pan here for the fish. And it comes in these little packages. And something I learned in Girl Scouts years and years ago was that the Reynolds wrap or aluminum foil, you put the shiny side to the food, but if you like you were baking a potato, you put that too because you're reflecting onto the food. So let me rinse my hands real quick. But anyways, that's just a little tip. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the lemons. And if you don't have any lemons, it's okay, trust me. Get those little seeds out. Okay. And of course, oh, this one has, oh, it must, okay. I was like, what? Look. And then this little pieces will go broken up into the pot once it's cooked. But you could cook more fish. It's just all I happen to have. So, and you could also put other seasonings on it too. Even I could throw on some of that Azure parsley because that would also be really good on it. All right, guys, in the oven, 400, and you just want to cook it just till it gets a little flaky. All right, sprinkled in some of the Tajin in, and I'm going to go ahead and now squeeze off the rest of the lemons in here. Do this as fast as possible. And the last of it. That'll help bring out some of the flavors even more. And go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of crushed red pepper. Not too much because remember you got the poblanos in there. And a tiny bit of smoked paprika. That'll bring out some of the smoky flavors as if the poblanos had been roasted. All right, guys, let's check on this fish. Yeah, see how it's flaking? Oops. Ow! My goodness. So anyways, you get that. There you go. Just put that in the soup now. Alright guys, so I took it out and put it in a bowl, and Bruce is going to sample it, but I'm going to go ahead and put some mozzarella cheese on top, and also I sprinkle it with the everyday fish seasoning, which includes a lot of delicious herbs in it, so that's a good flavoring adder. Alright, Bruce is going to be...
Oh my. That's really good. Oh yeah, that's really good. Poblanos.
You got a nice little flavor of heat.
The shrimp is really good. Oh wow.
All right, guys. Thank you.